Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to read another short story entitled Growing Vegetables. And remember, you have to listen well so you can answer the questions about the story. The title of the story is Growing Vegetables. Lino went with mother to market. They bought some vegetables. Mother said, I was able to buy only some with my money. Vegetables are very dear now. Lino was sorry for mother. She did not have much money. So he said, let's plant vegetables in our backyard. Then we will not have to buy them in the market. So Lino planted 3 plats of tomatoes, 2 plats of eggplants, and a plat of petchay. He had some ampalaya climbing on the bamboo fence. Lino worked in his garden after class every afternoon. So Lino grew more vegetables than they could eat. Mother sold some of them in the market. Question number 1. Where did Mother and Lino go? A. Church. B. School. C. Market. Question number 2. What did they buy? A. Fish. B. Vegetable. C. Meat. Question number 3. Which words tell about the vegetables? A. Very cheap. B. Very dear. C. Very many. Question number 4. Where did Lino plant vegetables? A. In school. B. On the farm. C. In the backyard. Question number 5. How many plants of tomatoes did he plant? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. Question number 6. How many plants of eggplants did he plant? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. Question number 7. How many plants of petchay did he plant? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. Question number 8. How many plants did he have in all? A. 4. B. 5. C. 6. Question number 9. What vegetables were climbing on the fence? A. Beans. B. Squash. C. Ampalaya. Question number 10. Why did mother sell some vegetables? A. She had no money. B. She did not like vegetables. C. They had more than they could eat. Thank you, everyone. We will see you next time.